I am babysitting because I am amazing with children. That's a lie. This is Xander. And he's pretty wonderful and really adorable, as you can see. And he loves his pounding. And he's cute. And we're just sitting here rocking out to music. See, look at his legs. He's so happy about me. And he really loves it when I fist bump him. He's confused because he sees himself in the camera. So that's how I'm spending my night tonight. And then my two best buddies, Kelsey and Sabrina, are coming over tonight, so it's gonna be pretty awesome.